A star shone bright on that holy night, guiding hearts through the darkened night. A sign from heaven, a promise true. A child was born to make all things new. The star that never fades, shining bright, leads us to the Savior's light. Through trials and pain, through joy and grace, His light will always lead our chase.
Men came from distant lands, guided by faith, they followed His hands.
And in the stable they knelt and prayed for the King of Kings, the light that stayed, the star that led them, then still leads through every trial, through every need. His light shines on, it never fades, guiding us through life's darkest days. The star that never fades, shining bright, leads us to the Savior's light. Come, O souls, and walk His way. For the star of Christ still leads to